In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server banner on Discord. If you're looking to give your Discord server a fresh new appearance, changing the server banner is a great way to customize your community and make it stand out. A server banner is displayed at the top of your server and helps create a more polished and professional look. Before getting started, it's important to know that this feature is available only for servers that have reached the required server boost level. To begin, open Discord and select the server where you want to change the banner. Once you've opened the correct server, look toward the upper left corner of the Discord window and click on the server name. This will open a drop-down menu containing several management options for your server. From the menu, click on Server Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Discord server, including roles, moderation, channels, and server customization options. On the left side of the server settings page, scroll through the available categories until you find Boost Perks, then click on it. This section shows all of the additional features that become available as your server gains more server boosts. Within the Boost Perks page, you'll find information about server banner customization. Discord requires your server to reach level 2 before the server banner feature becomes available. If your server hasn't reached that level yet, the option to upload or change a server banner will remain locked. If the feature is still locked, click the Unlock with Boosting button. Discord will then guide you through the process of boosting your server. Continue by selecting Boost the server and complete the boosting process. Keep in mind that server boosting requires a paid subscription or available boosts, so there may be a cost involved if you don't already have boosts available. After your server reaches the required level 2 boost status, return to the Boost Perks section. The server banner option will now be available, allowing you to upload and change your server banner whenever you'd like. You can replace the existing banner with a new one to better match your server's theme, branding, or community style. That's all there is to it. Once your server has the required boost level, changing the server banner is quick and easy through the Server Settings and Boost Perks page. Just remember that the feature won't appear until your server has unlocked the necessary boost level. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,